Alright everybody, here we are over at Wesleyan College in Owensboro, Kentucky. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm thinking there's Ruby.
Baby.
Oh, sorry.
Thinking there's probably a couple hundred cars here. Man, there's a lot of cars here. Let me try and give you a shot all the way around. Just a lot of cool cars here. I'm not going to do a really long video because I can't get around to all these, but I'll just show you some of the cool ones here. This old green International pickup, that's sharp looking. Get out in front here where the light hits her a little bit better. That's pretty cool looking. Let's see what year this is. It's a 1941. Sharp looking. Really like this 55 Chevy over here. This is you don't see this color too often. It's sharp looking. Here we got a 31 Ford pickup. Looks all factory. Well, that's a looker right there. There's a 48 pickup Ford. Good looking Camaro. Let me get out here. Dang. I don't know where to walk. There's so many good looking cars. Look at this Chevy pickup. It's kind of an odd color, but it looks pretty good. The beige and the white combo. Kind of sharp looking. Really clean looking truck. Oh, this thing here is a beauty. That is just beautiful. Let's see what year this is. It's a 36. Oh, that's just cool looking. 36 Chevy. Corvette over here I wanted to let y'all see. Haven't seen this one before. It's badass looking. 58 or 59, I'm not sure. Haven't been up on it yet, but it's sharp looking. Let's see what year she is. 58. Yep, got 2 4s on it. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
You're okay. Oh, now my wife would love this. Mustang Fastback. That's sharp looking. 65 or 66, I'm going to say. 66 GT. Oh, now that right there, that's the cat's meow. I'm telling you, that is sharp looking. Here's all the Jeeps over here. I'm not even going to go over there, but hell, the Jeeps come all the way around here. Show you guys these 2 S10s that are slammed to the ground. Well, check that out. That one on the left, it's in primer. It's got suicide doors on it. Those are tough looking. A lot of people here walking around. There's old 65 Mustang. That's a pretty good looking little car. Well, I just want one of those. I want to show you all this 56 Chevy down here. This thing is, I'm going to tell you what, this thing is clean as a whistle. Look at that. Beautiful looking car. Yeah, that's a good looking ride right there. Here's some people from the Road Knights Club. They live over in Henderson, Kentucky. This Chevy here. Well, that's cool looking. Gosh, just look around here. The cars are just everywhere and they're coming in. I know there's over 200 cars here. All right, fellas, like I said, I can't get around to all these and the video would be way too long, so I think I'm gonna cut her short here. Let me show you one more car over here. I believe this is a 47 Ford. It's just clean as can be. Sitting next to this good looking 55 Chevy here with another nice looking ride. But look at this 47. Boy, that is just a fine looking ride right there. Convertible. Look at the interior in this thing. Just beautiful. There's an old Belvedere. I looked at this one earlier. This is a 53 Chevy pickup. It's all basically stock. Pretty sharp looking though. Two more we're gonna look at here, fellas. This 57 Hardtop, which is really nice looking. That's just sharp looking. Look at that. LS3 fuel injection. What it says on the side. And look at this old Studebaker over here. That's just so cool. All right, fellas, I'm done.